So one of the biggest challenges in this is an over focus on movement as a cause of children vulnerabilities at the expense of underlying socio-economic disadvantages that influence why and which children migrate migrate independently and their socio-economic exclusion at the destination. Social policy vis-a-vis migrants is a double-edged sword. There are practical ways in which social policies can protect and support migrants and help labor markets and workers adjust under process of increased migration. At the same time, social policies define citizenship, produce forms of inclusion, and hence inevitably exclusion. The key question is for social policies toward migration to be sensitive to its processes, complex nature, and structure, distinctiveness of particular groups, and its inherent political nature. Thank you.